This is Alt Emmet reporting for Premier Magazine, live from the VORtech 20th anniversary. And we're here with the two founders. So can you please introduce yourself?
So I am Edwin Vollebrecht. My name is the V from VORtech. I studied applied mathematics here in Delft and also did my PhD in this area.
And I'm Mark Roest. I have a background in physics. I'm the R from VORtech. And today I'm basically the general manager of VORtech.
So when you started 20 years ago, what was the idea there?
So we both did a PhD on coastal engineering and making simulations faster using parallel computing. And we enjoyed this very much to have a very practical, result-oriented work on a high technological level. And, well, we thought, let's see if we can make a business out of this. And so we started from this simple idea.
Yeah, and over time we've grown. We are now 25 people. Most of the people in VORtech have a background in mathematics. Most of them also have a PhD, so we are really the clever guys.
So yeah, because you didn't tell, but basically what you do is modeling of scientific and engineering.
I would say that the main part of what we do is scientific software engineering. So we develop computational software. And there's a lot of mathematics behind this kind of software, and that's also something that we like to do.
Mm-hmm. Can you give an example?
So we do water flows, which is traditional, an important topic, seismic data processing, traffic flows. I myself am involved in wheel-rail contact analysis, very detailed studies of friction and wear. And so there's a lot of technical issues, but nowadays there's also financial mathematics and a lot of calculations for pensions or insurances, also involving mathematics and large-scale computing.
Things have changed. I mean, 20 years ago nobody was talking about big data, and today everybody's talking about big data and just modeling the big data, and you just get anything out of it if you just throw in it, and it will. You throw the data in, and the answer will come. So are you still needed in this area?
Well, we hope so, of course. Yeah. We have seen this development, and it's very interesting. Initially, we had no confidence in this big data stuff, but we have seen quite some impressive results. So now we feel that it is complementary to the work that we have been doing. Some things it can do better and some things cannot be done. And today we had a few very interesting talks showing that you also need some physical intuition before you can interpret big data. So the two go hand in hand.
It was a very nice presentation, especially the second one was very much highlighting that you need both. You need modeling more of the physical models and more of the statistical nature, and the two go together.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where you are today. But of course, I mean, it's only the 20th anniversary. So yeah. Where do you expect VORtech to be in, let's say, about 20 years from now?
It's very difficult to tell. If you look back 20 years about how we programmed computing software at those days and how we are programming today, it's totally unrecognizable. So big changes, and the scale of programming that we can do. So if you extrapolate, it's unimaginable what we can do in 20 years.
Yeah, my feeling is that mathematics and computing and big data is becoming ever more important. So I expect that we will have far more work in the future than we had before. So I see quite a bright future for us.
Okay. Thank you very much for this interview.
Okay, you're welcome.